Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making satisfying sounds with my neck pillow. Okay, so listen. Make sure you hit the bell and turn on notifications. Okay, so if you have a neck pillow, comment down below